Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel for today's 80th day in our Russian Word of the Day video series. Today we are going to learn how to say pot. And specifically when you think of pot, this would be a deeper utensil that is used to cook on top of a stove.
Кастрюля. Кастрюля. Кастрюля.
This word can be a little bit more difficult to say because there are two soft consonant vowel pairs at the end of the word, ryu and ля, кастрюля. The first syllable is pretty self-explanatory. It is a hard ka. Go ahead and practice this word a few more times before the end of the video. We'll see you again tomorrow with day 81. Пока for now.
Кастрюля. Кастрюля. Кастрюля.